Hi, today I'm going to show you my favorite products of January, and if you are interested in this video, stay tuned. So most of the time I've used this foundation, Sephora 10 Hour Wear Perfection Foundation in shade Clear Light 14. As you can see, I used some amount of this. Good foundation for very cold weather because it's a long-lasting foundation. Oil-free, medium coverage, buildable, so very good for freezing weather. Under this foundation I used NARS Copacabana Illuminator for healthy glow on my cheeks. As a blush I used Clarins Multi Blush 02 Candy. There looks like this. Yeah. This blush has a very unique texture. It's not cream blush, it's more cream to powder blush. As I didn't use my SPF in January because of dark and cold days, and most of the time I spend in the office, so as my SPF I used a powder. It's Bare Mineral Mineral Veil SPF 25. As a concealer I used Double Wear Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer SPF 10. I used it with this brush. It's Mark 282 in mini version, and I put concealer in this place and use brush. A very good concealer for cold weather because it's long wearing also. Stay in place, as it said. It's great concealer. It's not enhance any lines under eyes, but it could be visible, so it should be used in a very thin layer and with brush. For my eyebrows I used this eyebrow set Cherie Ma Cherie Cersil Ideals. Mostly I used this color, but sometimes combined all of them. And this eyebrow gel I used Essence Make Me Brow in color 01 Blondie Brows. For my eyeshadow I used Dior Show Curl in shadow 079 and Clinique Chubby Stick in color 10 Big Blue. Here they are, Dior and Clinique. Clinique I used on all my eyelid, and Dior as a liner. For my lips I used Dior pencil in color 593 Brune Fig. Lipstick Shiseido Perfect Rouge Glowing Matte in color RD722. And Shiseido Lacquer Gloss in color VI207. Very good gloss. I used it as a balm very moisturizing, very beautiful. And stay tuned if you want to see all this product in action. So I'm going to apply them on my face. So that's a finished look. My favorite look of the month of January. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment below and see you next time. Bye.